First, look at this animated video. This video is fully AI generated. You can also create this type of video. Watch till the end to learn how to create this type of video. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shujat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0. Let's begin by opening Google and searching for MonkeyAI. Click on the very first link that appears. This link is also provided in the description of the video for your convenience. This is the homepage of Sketch, a platform that enables you to create stunning visuals and transformations using advanced AI technology. From simple edits to complex artistic styles, MonkeyAI brings your creative vision to life effortlessly. One of the standout features of this platform is the Workflow Builder. Here, you can chain AI models together for advanced processing and automate your entire creative pipeline using a visual drag-and-drop editor. It's an incredibly powerful tool that puts complete control in your hands. As you scroll through the homepage, you'll see a collection of impressive images generated by MonkeyAI. Below that, you'll find workflow nodes, capability nodes, and tool nodes, the essential building blocks that power your AI workflows. By combining these elements, you can automate complex creative pipelines with ease. With the help of this tool, you can create motion control effects, produce multi-shot videos, design Facebook posts, remove backgrounds from images, and access many other advanced features. This is not just a single tool, this is a complete powerhouse of different AI capabilities all in one place. In the AI Creation Showcase section, you can see the amazing transformations that the community has created using MonkeyAI. Now, let's move to the top of the page and click on Start Creating. Once you enter the MonkeyAI workspace, you'll see several options at the top, including templates, playground, gallery, and more. Let's click on Playground to explore the core features. Here you'll find a wide range of different generative models and advanced features. Under Text to Image, you'll find the latest Nano Banana model. You can also edit images using models like Nano Banana Edit and SeeDream for editing purposes. In the Text to Video section, you'll see models such as Seedance 2.0 Fast and Seedance 2.0, which are powerful text-to-video models. You can also find Kling 3.0 and more. Under Image to Video, you'll discover advanced media generation models as well. You can edit videos here, and you can also use LEM models for your creative work. Essentially, you'll find all the models you need for creating videos, images, editing videos, and working with audio. Now, let's click on Create Workflow. This is the main canvas of the tool, where you create images and videos. On the right side of the canvas, you'll see a variety of options, including text editor, the ability to draw with a pencil, upload assets, use text to image to image, text to video, image to video, edit videos, and add audio notes. There are also many other different tools available. First of all, let's generate an image using the text to image feature. Click on Text to Image. Once you're logged in, you'll see a Models option at the top. Click on Models. Here you'll find all the latest AI image generation models, including Nano Banana and SeeDream models. Now you need to enter your prompt in the prompt bar. Then you need to select the aspect ratio. There's a wide range of aspect ratios available, so you can choose the best one based on your requirements. The best part is that you can also select the output format of your image according to your needs. You can choose between PNG and JPEG. Now, let's generate an image. For this demonstration, I'll select the Nano Banana image generation model. Then, in the prompt bar, I'll paste the following prompt, a colorful cartoon scene inspired by Tom and Jerry. And the rest of the prompt is related to the image we want to create. Now, we need to select the aspect ratio. For this demonstration, I'll select the 16:9 ratio. After that, we can select the format based on our requirement. Once everything is done, click on Run. It will take a few seconds to generate the image based on our prompt, so please be patient. Once the image is ready, you can see it looks just like a Tom and Jerry cartoon. Now we can edit this image according to our needs. At the top, you'll see different features such as remix, quick edit, image edit, upscale, remove background, animate, and save. Now let's animate this image. Click on Animate. Here, you can animate the image that we just created using this advanced AI model. At the top, you'll find different AI video generation models, so you can select the best one based on your requirements. Then, you can describe the motion and describe your character. In the prompt bar, I'll paste, animate a Tom and Jerry cartoon scene. Once you've entered the prompt, you need to select the time duration. For this demonstration, we'll select up to 10 seconds. Then, you need to select the resolution of the video. This time, we'll use 480p resolution, though you can also generate HD videos easily. You can also enter a negative prompt to make your video more accurate and more perfect. Once everything is done, click on Run. It will take a few seconds to generate the video, so please be patient. Once the video is ready, you'll see options such as Remix, Save, Remove Objects, Add Audio, Extend Video, and Upscale. Now let's play the video and see the final version of the video that we created using MonkeyAI. Wow, amazing. As you can see, we generated an image, and then we generated this video with the help of that image. We can easily generate an image and then animate it in MonkeyAI. Now, let's save this video. Click on Save, then click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's play the downloaded video. Wow, impressive. We can create such types of animated videos easily and effortlessly with the help of this amazing and advanced tool. Now let's generate a video using the text-to-video feature. Click on Text to Video. Now we need to select a model. Click on Model. Here a wide range of models are available, and you can select the best one based on your requirements. Then you need to enter a prompt describing the video you want to generate. After that, you need to select the audio. The best part is that you can generate a video up to 15 seconds long. From the aspect ratio options, you can generate videos in 16:9 ratio or 9:16 ratio. You can also use the multi-shot option, and you can also add a negative prompt. Now, let's generate a video. Click on Model, and from here, we'll select Seedance 2.0, the latest video generation model. In the prompt bar, I'll paste the following prompt: a high-energy animated cartoon scene inspired by modern superhero cartoons, and the rest of the prompt is related to the video. After that, you can add reference media, you can add up to 5 reference images, and you can also add a reference video and audio to make your video more professional. You can also use the web search feature. From the duration options, we'll select up to 15 seconds. From the aspect ratio, we'll select 16:9 ratio, though you can choose the best one based on your needs. After that, from the resolution options, we'll select the resolution according to our needs. Once everything is done, click on Run. It will take a few seconds to generate the video based on our prompt, so please be patient. Once the video is ready, let's play the video that we created using MonkeyAI's text-to-video feature. Wow, impressive. We can create these types of animated videos effortlessly with the help of MonkeyAI. You can remix this video, save this video, remove objects from the video, add audio, and you can also extend the video. Now let's download the video. Click on More Options, then click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's play and see the final version of the video that we created using the text-to-video feature. Wow, amazing. As you can see, our video looks like a real video created by an expert. But it's not created by an expert, it's created by AI. Here, we just entered our prompt and generated such types of videos effortlessly with the help of this amazing and advanced AI video generation model. We can create a complete workflow with MonkeyAI by starting with text, generating an image, animating it, adding sound effects, and customizing it to our needs. To begin, click on Create a Workflow, then select Text to Image. Choose your preferred image model, paste your prompt in the prompt bar, select the aspect ratio, and click Run. It will take a few seconds to generate the image. Once ready, you'll see options to edit, upscale, or remove the background. Let's edit the image by clicking Edit Image. Select your model, add your prompt, choose the aspect ratio, and click Run. The editor successfully modifies the background while keeping the main subject intact. Now, let's animate this image. Click Animate, enter your animation prompt, and select a video generation model. Choose the aspect ratio, then click Upload the last frame. You can upload from your device or select from the canvas. Once done, click Run and wait a few seconds for the video to generate. The video looks awesome, but it has no sound. Click Sound and press Enter to generate audio. Amazing. We've created a complete video by entering a prompt, editing the image, animating it, and adding sound effects. Click the three dots to access additional tools. You can merge videos, edit by prompt, upscale, add sound, extend videos, remove backgrounds and watermarks, and perform face swaps effortlessly. Now, let's merge two videos together. To do this, click on the three dots. From here, you can select tools and apps according to your needs. We'll select Tools. Now, click on Video Merge. Next, we need to select our videos. Click on Add a Clip, then click on First Clip. From here, you can upload a clip from your device, or you can also use a video from the canvas. This time, we'll use a video from the canvas. Select one option, and it will instantly appear in the video section. Now, let's add one more clip. Click on Add a Clip again. This time, we'll upload a video from our device. Click on Upload from Device, then select your video and click Open. Once the video is uploaded, click on Export Merged. It will take a few seconds to generate the merged video, so please be patient. Once the video is ready, let's play it and see the result. As you can see, we successfully merged two different videos easily with the help of MonkeyAI. Now click Templates to explore workflow templates. Select one to see the complete workflow, describe the image, add AI styling, edit and crop the image, use InPaint to remove unnecessary parts, and finally generate a video by customizing it according to your requirements. Using this amazing and advanced tool, you can generate images, you can generate text to video content, you can use the image to video feature, you can edit your videos, and you can also use audio features. From now on, I highly recommend you use MonkeyAI to generate such types of videos effortlessly. Try it out using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0, and share your thoughts in comment section.